What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how my AI automated trading system made me $2,300 last week, all on autopilot. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name is Sergio, and this is the one trading because this is the one that works. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to jump into the computer here and I'm going to show you the results for the past week, how much my automated trading system made me personally. Let's jump into the results here. All right, so here we are in one of my accounts, and this account started with $10,000. Now, as you can see, it's at $14,664. However, I'm just going to show you the results just for the past week. Okay, so the results for last week, which was 10/19 to 10/25, as you can see, total P&L 862. Okay, now keep in mind this is all automatic. I don't have to look at the charts. It's a strategy that I already coded into an automated system where it will execute trades every day automatically without me even having to turn on my computer. So let's add this up right here. So 862.22, and let's go into my other trading account here. So this is my second trading account because I run two different trading systems. Hit go here, yep. All right, so as you can see, last week, same dates, total profit P&L is 1468. Okay, so let's add that up here, plus 1468.70. Oh, oops, forgot the 4. 468.7. There you go. So yeah, as you can see, $2,330 just in a last week's period. Like I said, the great thing about this is that it was all automated. It didn't take a second of my time. Although, since it is my system, I do like to log in every now and then and just make sure that everything is running smooth. All right, so there you go. As you can see, a proof on my live account. As you can see, live right here. Yeah, both of them are live. Yep, as you can see. So there you go. Those are the results for just the last week. Now let's jump in here and show you the results for last 30 days. Let's see. Let's put here since October 1st. And as you can see, total P&L since October 1st on this account is $4,864. Let's go ahead and check the other account. Since October 1st, yep, the date's right there. $6,237. Yep, so there you go. Those are proof of the results for the past week of my automated AI trading system. If you are interested in learning more about the system, this is a service. We can also connect the system to your trading account to place trades on your behalf every single day without you even having to be in front of your computer. So you can go about running your business, or if you have a job, going to work, all while the automated trading system trades in the background, executing trades for you. So if you're interested in learning more, check out the links down below in the description. That is all for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, automate to dominate. Peace.